Hello everybody, so today I want to look at an interesting node called the edge cusp node. And this is a cool node because it allows you to split pieces of polygons into various pieces, usually along where you put an edge loop. So let me quickly show you how this will work. I'm going to just use my trusty tube again. Alright, let's do that. And yeah, I'm just going to play around with this a minute and give it some more resolution. So let me do that. Let me first of all make a relative reference of this, add it to here, times that by 0.5. Okay, there's also a node that will do the same thing, but I'll just do it manually in there. Let's create some height to this. Maybe that should be enough. Yeah, that'll be good. And add some rows. All right. Now, if I go into my select tool and then I'm going to go into primitives, remember if I double click on this, like that, it selects all of the pieces of primitives that I have in that piece of geometry. All right. So I know now that this piece of geometry is all one piece. But let's say I want to split this into two separate pieces. I can actually use the edge cusp node. It's one way anyway. There's multiple ways, but let's look at this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into my edges instead. And I've got two ways of creating the edge loop. If you remember, there's the A, holding down A, middle mouse button, click, and I can do it that way. Another option is that I can double click on it and it will do the same thing. All right, nice. Now, if I want to be able to split this, I've got this piece at the top and this piece at the bottom and they're separate. If I keep my cursor here in the viewport, hit the tab key, and then I'll look for my edge cusp node. There it is. All right. And I can see that this has already filled in my group for me, all the points that are affected there. Now, if I go to my select, I go to my polygons or primitives, and now I double click to select. Look, I only select half of it because now this is two separate pieces. Nice. All right, I can prove this again by going into exploded view. If you don't know what this node is, it's usually used as a visualization tool when you're fracturing objects, and it can allow all those little pieces of that fracture to be seen individually. In this situation, that's not what we're doing. We're not fracturing anything, but it will allow us to see the different primitives, the different objects. So let's put that in there, open that up, and I can see that they're now two separate pieces. I can use this uniform scale to make them closer or further away. If I put on my points, I can see that these points here are no longer connected, which is what I wanted. Turn off this. Let's get that right. I hit the B key. I can see now it's all one piece again. Exploded view is not doing anything. Turn this off and it's broken. Nice. All right, that's it. So any questions, leave them below. You guys have a great day. Here in Australia, it's currently Saturday evening, and happy time. So you enjoy your Saturday evening. Bye bye.